Hello everyone and welcome to our MACHathon project. Our project was called Look at Me. The name will make sense shortly once you see a demonstration. We use three MACH Alliance technologies in order to build this project. The first being Amplience, which is a commerce experience platform with headless DXP, CMS, DAM and dynamic media. The second being Akeneo, which is a PIM responsible for organizing, enriching and syndicating product information. And the third being Constructor.io, which delivers personalized and AI-powered ranking of products and content based on clickstream data. The people involved are listed below. Well, I won't go through their names, but from a mix of disciplines, including development, management, sales, and innovators in the commerce space. So what was the project? Well, the project aimed to accelerate product discovery, but through content that involved search and personalization, and all through the lens of looks or collections, as they might be called. This gave us two challenges. The first being largely technical and data, which was accelerating the personalization of those content and products on the front end. The second, more of a business challenge where we wanted marketeers and merchandisers to be able to create the content for these collections or looks whilst the products were still being built and going through their cycle before they went into commerce. Enough slides, let's go into a demonstration. On the screen, you will see a page on a demonstration site where a series of looks are loaded onto a page. You'll see different things like search and different facets and everything else to control the experience. Each of the looks is curated in Amplience and delivered via Constructor to the front end. The facets you can easily search by different ones and put them into place. And that will change the display of the look. Same with search, same with everything else. Now, if we clicked on one of these looks, bear in mind the order. You can see the green jacket first and everything else. The look loads and the content from Amplience is displayed. So, the main look, the associated products to that look, some details from the product information, but also recommended looks. And these recommended looks are driven and they notify the end user of why they were being chosen, like some because of brand, some because of color, and other things along the way, whatever the personalization engine thinks is best. As we click through, we can see different products. So we can click through to a different look, and that look itself will have its own associated products and its own associated recommendations. Also notice that we've also included recently viewed looks so that you can see and click back if you need to. So if we click on something else as well, like these leggings, then the same principle applies. As you go and load the new look, the products are shown, the details are shown, as are the next recommendations, as are your previously viewed looks. If we take a step back to the initial page, we can go and have a look at what that has done to the journey. So we clicked on a dress, we clicked on the another dress, and we also clicked on these leggings that are over there. Great, okay, let's load this page up here. Right, now you'll notice firstly that the order has completely changed with our viewed looks at the top. We also have our recently viewed looks still at the bottom displayed. And whilst we're here, we might as well do some searching as well. So if we search for, say, green, then we'll have green products. If we search for yellow, we'll have yellow products. If we spelled something incorrectly, that's fine. We have fuzzy search that's in there as well. Let's have a look at what's in the back office of all of these systems. So in Akeneo first, you'll see all of the products which have been loaded into the catalog in the PIM. And for each of these products, if we wanted to have a look inside, we can see all of the information. It scores based on completeness on the product itself. Inside of Amplience, you have a number of different things, including the site structure that I won't go into, but the main premises are these series of different looks. We can go into a look, and the look is authored on the left-hand side. And with this, you have, associated images, some of the product descriptions and things like that, but also a real-time preview of how that would look on the site and the application. With that, we also have extensions which are interfacing directly with Akeneo to allow the user to go, okay, I want to associate this to a particular category. You can see the products that have already been associated, and you can even search and browse the product catalog in order to find different things and add them to the list, and then all your details are displayed. In Constructor, it manages the indexes and the associations between the products and the content. So you'll see here there are various sessions. It gives you reporting on what has been searched for. It gives you your indexes where we're indexing things like products and looks, and it also gives us things like collections which tie together things like those looks and also the items that are associated to that. So quickly before we end, let's go through how that is done. So Akeneo, like we say, is responsible for the product catalog. That is syndicated directly into Constructor.io. Likewise, Amplience is responsible for all the content, all the looks themselves, and it uses via API to browse the products and collections so they can be associated to the looks. The product media is also in Amplience because of the DAM and the dynamic media capabilities, but is referenced in the PIM. Every look that is created and updated in Amplience via webhooks is in real time pushed into the Constructor indexes and collections, along with its associated products. There's more screenshots of this on the dev post for the MACHathon. And Constructor deliver those to the front-end experience. And it also captures user events. Those user events then personalize what is being displayed to the end user. And the application itself is being managed through Amplience in terms of the navigation, the structure, the components, and all those kind of things, so people can create these looks wherever they like on any page template that they like. Thank you.